Hi guys, it's Erik-Weisz with a new lock picking video. The lock I have today is the EVVA 3KS, which is a slider lock with 2x6 sliders. And it has this remarkable key with 3 curves on each side. That's why it's called 3KS, for 3-curve system, or Drei-Kurven-System in German. And there are many videos about how this lock works, so I will not go into detail here. In any case, this is a modular double Euro cylinder, and for picking and gutting I will use only one half of it, so I can separate them by simply taking the screw out and then taking half of the cylinder off and putting the rest aside. For tensioning I will use this Y-shaped tensioner, which fits perfectly into the keyway and gives very good control. Also doesn't take too much room in the keyway, so that picking is quite easy. And for picking itself I use this modified pick that has this fork type tip, and also some markings on the sides to show the positions of the sliders. And for gutting I will also use this special 3D printed gutting key that puts the sliders in the center and allows for sliding out the core easily. But without further ado now, let's put this thing in a vise and see if we can get it picked. Okay, the EVVA 3KS is now in the vise. Here's the key. And it works very smoothly. And for tensioning I use this Y-shaped tensioner, which gives very good control over the core and also does not obstruct the keyway in any way. And for picking I use this home modified pick. Yeah, and I start with the 2 pins or I start with putting all the sliders down to get some kind of defined starting position. And now I start with the first pins on both sides. I know they must be set very high. That's the left one. That should be the right one. And then I start with the left hand side. Number 2. Number 3 is loose, I think. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. And start again from the beginning. 1, 2, 1. 3 is still away. 4. 5 and 6. They all feel quite good. Now to the right hand side. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 6, number 5 is somewhere. Maybe they have been moved up again. Let's put them down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 6. Little click and some core movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And so it's something on the left hand side maybe. One is a bit stiff. Is it number 1? 1. 4. 6 is very stiff, and now more core movement, but still not open. Let's check the right hand side again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it number 6? I don't know. Let's check the left hand side again. 1, 2, 1. Where's number 2? There's number 2. Now where's number 1? Something's wrong here. And there we go. That was number 3. All right, it's an open. And now let's see what's inside. Let's put that out first. That aside. And this is a half of a modular cylinder, so it's quite easy to cut. Let's close it up again. Key works still nice. And first of all, I have to remove this clip here, and with the right tool, this is not a problem. There we go. Let's take a pinning tray and put that aside. Oops. There we go. And there's a handy tool for gutting. This is a cutting key that keeps the sliders in the center, and then everything slides out easily. This is the housing. It has these characteristic grooves on the side, and grooves for the sidebars as well, and for the bottom. Yeah, and then the core is now upside down, and there's this this bottom bar, which is I think I take out this cutting key first, and then I take the tweezers, and this bottom bar here is only for key control. Oops, it has these cuts that control the key. Let's put that aside. And then we have the two sidebars, and let's now flip it over again. And this is the right sidebar. Difficult to get out. Oops. And it has two little springs. And there's also a sidebar on the left-hand side. It matters to put the sidebar on the right side because they are slightly different. And as you can see, it also has these two springs. And then let's take out the pins, or the sliders rather. Let's start with the right-hand side. This is the first one. Second, fourth, and the sixth, and then the third, and also the fifth. And now for the others. These are the ones from the left-hand side. That's number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is the core with all grooves and holes for everything. Pretty nice lock. Yeah, let me give you a close-up of the sliders. As you can see, they don't have any mastering, and also have false gates. For example, I take out the first one from the left. It has the true gate and also the false gate on top now. Yeah, and that's more or less all about the EVVA 3KS. Picked and gutted. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.